Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BYND. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, if you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. First off, a little context. BYND did have their earnings after market close, and after hours. So what I'm going to talk about here is just general levels, and you're going to have to kind of just gauge where it actually opens up, because your guess is as good as mine from where it trades and after hours, and then you have pre-market tomorrow on Tuesday. So where it opens, nobody knows, but my point is by using these levels, you can gauge kind of, all right, well, if the price opens up down below support levels, that's not a good thing. On the flip side, if the price opens up above levels of resistance, well, that is a good thing. So here's some levels that I know I'll be keeping an eye on. I actually traded this one after hours already, but I'm curious, can the price actually stay above this trend line? Now, as of when I'm doing this video, I just checked, and the price was trading down here around $98. So on Tuesday morning, if the price opens up below 98, not a good sign in regards to this trend line, because that would imply that the trend line has been broken to the downside. But once again, is that guaranteed that it's going to open up at 98 below that level? There's still a whole lot of time for this to trade. But point here being that, yeah, right now the price is actually starting to build an overall uptrend. So, if that's going to continue, if this general uptrend is going to continue to work itself to the upside, then having the price stay above that level, is what you would want to see. Now, in the event the price does open up down below that trend line, the next immediate level of support you would want to keep an eye on is down there at 96, which nothing fancy, nothing complicated behind this at all, other than the fact of that is just where the bleeding finally stopped before the price did start to show some signs of strength. So if I offer up a little bit more context there, and I'm sure a lot of you are well aware, but yeah, BYND has been getting beat down, and 96, like I said, is where that beat down finally stopped and where the price finally started to show some signs of strength to the upside. So whether or not that comes into play remains to be seen, but those are going to be those two couple of general areas to watch from a support standpoint. On the flip side of things, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. Initial level of resistance to watch, going to be right here at 104. Like I said, I'm calling this resistance because I get it, the price closed up above that level, but in after hours, the price was actually quite a bit below 104. So I'm going to assume that the price opens up down below that area. So 104 going to be that first initial level of resistance. If the price can push up through there, the next key level right up there around 107.25. So keep an eye on this one going forward. I know I'll be watching it. Like I said, I traded it after hours today, and I'll plan on trading it. Or I ideally like to trade it on Tuesday. And so these are the levels that I'll be keeping an eye on. So let's see how this one plays out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.